It's Ivy in time for Dollar General's 5 off 25. I know I have not I didn't do one last week. It's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25. Saturday scenarios for 12.20, guys. I've been on a Dollar Tree kick, but we got some awesome deals in Dollar General I do not want you to miss. So let's get this going. Guys, it is 10 degrees outside in Illinois. Okay, guys, you're going to pick up these items. You're going to pick up one Febreze. Now, this one is $4. It is one that attaches for $3.50. It is not here. We have a $2 coupon. You're going to pick up one Tide XL 18 pack. We have two coupons. One is for $1.50 manufacturer. The other one is for a $2 Dollar General coupon. So instead of us going up to $25, we need to go up to $27. Remember that. One Colgate at $3.25. We have a $2 coupon. One Febreze Small Space at $3.50. We have a $2 coupon. Two Vaselines at $4 each. We have a $4 off 2 coupon. We're gonna scan everything. Okay, first you're gonna always go to your 5 off 25. See the scissors? You're gonna tap that so that when you cash out on Saturday, you will have your 5 off 25 attached. Okay, so the Febreze right here. The Febreze is $4 and we have a $2 coupon. Okay, we're gonna scan our Tide. The Tide is $9.95. We have two coupons. Hooray! One is $1.50 manufacturer, and then the other one is a $2 Dollar General coupon. So we must do what? We must cover that DG coupon. Okay. Then we're gonna scan the Small Space, which is $3.50. We have a $2 coupon. Then we're gonna scan one of the Vaselines, $4, and we have a $4 off 2 coupon. So basically, this one is free. Okay. So let's do our math. So the Tide is $9.95. The Febreze is $4. The Vaselines are $4 each. The Colgate is $3.25, and then the Small Space is $3.50. Took us to $28.70. Now we only had to go up to $27. If you want to switch out things in this deal, you can. Okay. First thing you're going to take off is that $2 Dollar General coupon for the Tide, because that's the first thing that's going to come off. Takes you to $26.76. Now you're going to take off that $5 coupon. Then you're going to take the $1.50 off of Tide. Then you're going to take that $2 off the spray. You're going to take that $4 off the Vaseline. You're going to take $2 off the Colgate, and then you're going to take $2 off the Small Space. Leaves us at $10.20. Now, if you find the one that's $3.50, it'll leave you at $9.70. Okay, divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. You're going to pay $1.70. Now you see this, guys, $1.70 for 18XL Tide detergent. If you guys could pay that for some Tide detergent, you all are doing awesome. Make sure you remember the new year is starting. If you want to start selling bundles, this is awesome because you're going to instantly make your money back. Let's get to the next one. Okay, guys, we're going to do our next deal. Now we're going to pick up one Febreze. We already know the price of that. One Angel Soft at $6.35. We have a $1.40 coupon manufacturer. One Arm & Hammer at $5. We have a $2 coupon. One Febreze Small Space, one Colgate, and one Palmolive at $2.75. We have a $1.50 coupon. We're only going to scan the items we did not scan at first. Okay, here we go. Let me see, can I get down here and get the Angel Soft scan? Okay, let's scan that. And the Angel Soft is $6.35. We have a $1.40 coupon that is expiring. Remember these expired coupons, make sure you use them. Now we're going to scan the Arm & Hammer. The Arm & Hammer is $5. We have a $2 coupon. Now we're going to scan the Palmolive. The Palmolive is $2.75, and we have a $1.50 coupon that also expires tomorrow. Let's do the math. It's $6.35 for the Angel Soft, $5 for the Arm & Hammer, $2.75 for the Palmolive, $4 for the Febreze, $3.50 for the Small Space, and $3.25 for the Colgate. It takes you to $24.85. Add your 15 cents in there. $25 evenly, okay? Grab a piece of candy, anything you have to grab, guys. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $1.40 off your Angel Soft. Take your $1.50 off your Palmolive. Take your $2 off your Febreze spray. Take your $2 off your Small Space. Take your $2 off your Colgate, and take your $2 off of your Arm & Hammer. Leave you at $9.10. Divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and you're going to pay $1.51. Now, this is the deal I probably would do on Saturday, only because it has Angel Soft in it. It has a Palmolive. It has a detergent. I also have a toothpaste, and then I have an air freshener spray and a room air freshener. So that will probably be the one I would do if I want to do a cheaper deal. Okay, let's get to another deal. Okay guys, here's another household bundle that's awesome too. Like, the deals are awesome in Dollar General anyway. So you're going to pick up 2 all detergents at $5 each. It is a $4 off 2 coupon. 2 Vaselines at $4 each. We already know it's a $4 off coupon. 1 Small Space, we know it's a $2 coupon, and then 1 Oral-B at $3.25, and it is also a $2 coupon. Now, if you want to, you can swap that out for this Febreze, but it'll make you go over by 50 cents. Okay. Okay, we're going to scan the all detergent, and it is $5, and we have a couple of coupons, but the one we're going to concentrate on is the 4 off of 2 manufactured. You also have that spend 15, save 3, and then you can earn $2. Remember, we talked about that on Sunday. And then we're going to scan the Oral-B right here, which is $3.35, and we have a $2 off coupon also. Okay, so now that we know what we're working with, let's do our math. So 5 for each all, plus 4 for each Vaseline, plus $3.50 for the Small Place, plus $3.35 for the Oral-B. Now that leaves us at $24.85. Again, add the 15 cents, or you can alternate it with this, and you'll be over by 50 cents. Okay, because when I calculated it, I calculated this one at $3.50 also, but since they do not have that one, we could do some alternate. Wow, we could do some alternates. Okay, you're gonna plus 15 cents on there. Grab a piece of candy at the counter. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off the Oral-B. Take your 2 off of the Gain. Take your 4 off the Vaseline, and take your 4 off of the All. Leave you at $8 even. Divide that by 2, 4, 5, 6 products. You're gonna pay $1.33. Come on, guys. You're paying $1.33 for this all detergent. That's an awesome deal, first of all. Like, I love that deal. Now, let's get to some things that's expiring that you can use, okay? You can use expiring deals. Now, the first thing I want to get to is going to be on the Purex. Now, the Purex has got a complicated deal going on. Let me show it to you, okay? But you want to concentrate on the green Purex. I forgot the blue one is acting janky. Okay, so let's scan that. When we scan it, we see that it's $10. It's a number of coupons. That one is there. Manufactured, $2. Then you have the spend 3. Spend 15, get 3 off. Then you have the buy 1, get 1 free that's going to expire on Saturday. And then you also have $2 manufacturer cash back. Okay, we all know that the Dollar General and this will connect. And we also know that this and these 2 will connect, okay? But 2 manufacturers will not work together. So that is one you could pick and choose. Now, my thing would be is that I'm going to grab 2 of these Purexes plus a Snuggle. I'm going to also grab a Snuggle so that all those coupons can apply, okay? Now, the next thing you're going to go to is your extra. The extra right now is at $4.50, and we have a $1.50 coupon that is not expiring as of yet, okay? So you can also do that deal. If you are a fan of Dawn dish detergent, you can do this platinum at $4.95 and you get a dollar coupon, and you'll get a dollar coupon off. Okay, now remember, any Dollar General coupons, guys, you need to cover those coupons. So don't make that mistake of grabbing a product and just because you see that $2, you didn't look at the DG part. DG and 5 off 25, they're considered the store coupons together, so you need to go over by whatever that coupon is you're using. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Arby's coupon pack camp, and watch my TikTok because I got a deal for $7 on there. Bye.